Yeah, this is my video response to Brothers Keepers 111 6,000 sub contest. He wanted to see our 3 everyday carry knives that we have. The 3 I have here is a Schrade. It's called a clip hanger. Great knife, stays sharp. Carry that one most of the time. Also have this Cobalt knife that I got at, I believe I got that at Lowe's. I like it because I can change the blade when I'm working on stuff real easy. And I also have a Spyderco Delica. I've already broke the clip off the back of this one, but I've had it for quite a long time. It's really lightweight, good, sharp knife. Those are the 3 knives that I carry when I'm out. Most of the time there are a few more, but those are my 3 primary ones that I carry with me. Congratulations on 6,000 subs. That's a pretty big accomplishment. Wish everybody luck in the contest. And those are the 3 knives I carry, and good luck to everybody.